Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at a very important concept in training deep learning networks, which is called early stopping. So in the same example that we have been covering for the previous few videos, we'll be using the same notebook and we can see the changes are highlighted in green. So before we start into what is early stopping, let's understand why early stopping is required. So we have used the same iris dataset and we have built the model, we have compiled and trained the model. We can see that we have given 100 epochs and the training process ran for 100 epochs. Now let's try to plot the training loss versus the test loss. So if you see here, we can see that the training loss and the test loss, they are minimal at some point, after which the training loss continues to decline, whereas there is no significant reduction in the test loss. What it tells us? What it tells us is that after this period, the model is actually overfitting because there is no improvement in the test loss. It's only the training loss which is reducing, which means the model will not improve on unseen data. The model will only perform better on the training data, which is a classic example of overfitting. So that means we should actually stop training the model around this period and stop the model from learning unnecessary stuff. So that is where overfitting will come into picture. That is where early stopping will come into picture. So early stopping means that we want to stop the training early enough whenever there is no significant improvement in a particular metric that we are interested in. So that is, given this is early stopping, let's understand how do we implement early stopping in TensorFlow. So we generally create a callback. So you can use TF-Keras callbacks, early stopping. We have to provide what metric we are monitoring. In this case, we are monitoring loss, so we'll give that particular metric for monitoring. The patience parameter here says how many epochs you want to wait until there is no reduction in improvement. There's no improvement shown. In case of loss, we are saying there is no reduction in loss. If it is accuracy, you can say there is no increase in accuracy. So there is no improvement for these 5 epochs, and we have put verbose 1 to get more information in the logs. So while training the model, in the fit method, we can pass the callback. So we can see that we are passing the early stop callback. We still have 100 epochs mentioned here. When we run this, let us see. Wow, we can see here that it actually stopped at 6 epochs. And it actually gave this information that it's actually early stopping, right? So if we print the history, the length of the history, we can see it is 6, right? So this is visually, this we can get programmatically how many epochs it ran for, which means, so this has multiple advantages. Obviously, we will save on our computing time because we are stopping early, right? And second, we are improving the accuracy of our overall model because we are preventing it from overfitting. So these two are advantages of early stopping, and this is how we implement early stopping. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.